Good morning, students. Let's move on to the next topic, that is neutralization. We'll see what is neutralization. When acids are mixed with base, they tend to destroy each other's property. Okay, that means an acid will destroy the property of a base and a base will destroy the properties of an acid. So the solution, the resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic, and it is termed as neutral, the solution. So this kind of reaction is called as a neutralization reaction. We will see what else happens in this reaction. Okay, now here one experiment is given. What you have to do is that you have taken a conical flask with an alkali. Okay, and alkali means you all know that all alkalis are bases. That means it is a base. And here there is a burette which is filled with acid. What is HCl? HCl is hydrochloric acid. Okay. What is HCl? HCl is hydrochloric acid. Now here you have got hydrochloric acid. And what is the alkali that you are using? The alkali is NaOH. NaOH is sodium hydroxide, and the indicator used is phenolphthalein. Now what you have to do is you have taken sodium hydroxide in a flask, then with the help of a dropper we will add phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is an indicator. We will add drop by drop. Phenolphthalein is pink in color, children. Okay, now when you add drop by drop, what will happen? After some time, this sodium hydroxide solution will turn pink in color. Okay, it will turn pink in color. Now once it is turned pink in color, now what is it showing? It is showing that here you have got a base. Then what you have to do is you have to drop HCl drop by drop from this burette, and continuously you have to keep on stirring. Now you will notice that after some time the pink color of phenolphthalein totally vanishes and this solution becomes colorless. So what does it prove? It proved that first it was basic. When we added phenolphthalein, the solution was basic. But when you added acid to it, slowly, it became neutral. So what is formed? A new solution is formed. The new solution which is formed will be a salt. Okay? The new solution that is formed is a salt. So what do you get? The reaction is like this. The acid plus base gives salt plus water. So what did we take? What was the acid here? The acid was hydrochloric acid. The base was sodium hydroxide, and on neutralization reaction, it turned into a salt. Salt is sodium chloride, NaCl. NaCl is a salt plus water. So you can see a new substance is formed. So in a neutralization reaction, the acid and the base, they react to form salt and water. I hope, children, it is clear to all of you. Now there are applications of acid base. There is application of neutralization reaction. What is the first application? First application is soil testing. Now to neutralize the acidic nature, see children, what happens when you are continuously adding fertilizers? Continuously adding fertilizers and by acid rains, what happens? The soil becomes acidic in nature. So to neutralize the soil, what is added? A base is added like slaked lime, CaOH twice, slaked lime. Okay, and if the soil is basic, then organic matters like manures are added so that it becomes acidic. Okay. Then the second example is acidity in the stomach. Now acidity in the stomach. You all have studied in chapter 2 that in the stomach we have hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach. That you all have learned. Now what happens when you eat? Sometimes when you eat lot of oily food, there is extra amount of acid is created in your stomach. And then what happens? It starts paining. Okay, your stomach starts paining. Too much of acid is produced. So that is what you call that. Sometimes you must have heard your parents telling acidity form ho gaya. So what is this acidity? It is the excess of acid in the stomach. So what does the doctor gives? The doctor gives us antacid tablets to neutralize the extra acid. Okay, and also drinking plain water gives relief as the stomach acid is diluted. When you drink plenty of water, the acid in the stomach will be diluted. So we eat pudin hara tablets. Okay, so they all are bases. So it will neutralize. It neutralize means barabar karna. ठीक है? The acid and the base will become equal. So that is how you can treat acidity in the stomach. Then antidotes for sting. You all must have noticed, children, that if a bee or an ant stings, it is very, very painful. Why it is painful? Because whenever bee or ant sting, what does it sting? It stings formic acid inside the body. ठीक है, फॉर्मिक एसिड स्टिंग करता है. हाउ कैन यू गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम दैट? You can get relief from that by applying a paste of baking soda or calamine solution. Baking soda, in yesterday's video I had shown you baking soda is a base. Even calamine solution is also a base. So for example, if your ant has sting anywhere, ant or a bee has sting, so what you have to do? You have to simply take baking soda and rub that portion. So what will happen? The acid will be neutralized by the base. So neutralization, children, basically what is happening is that whenever there is excess of acid, you are taking base to neutralize, बराबर करने के लिए. ठीक है? Then another examples are toothpaste are alkaline. Now see, the tooth decay due to acid produced. You all must have noticed that small children, many of the children, there is tooth decay. How does tooth decay take place? That also you have studied in second chapter, that it is due to the acid produced by the germs present in the mouth. So by using the toothpaste, that is why we brush our teeth. Okay, by using the toothpaste. What are toothpaste? Toothpaste are alkaline in nature. Okay, toothpaste are alkaline in nature. So what will the toothpaste do? The toothpaste will neutralize the acid and it will help the teeth from decaying. The next example is acid burns. Now burns which are caused by acids, they are very, very dangerous and very, very serious. Okay, so what is done is that the affected part of the body should be washed with plenty of cold water if it is burned with a base. And in case of acid burn, you can take a solution of baking soda. Baking soda, you know, children, that it is a base. So if you apply baking soda to that part, what will happen? It will be neutralized. You will get relief. Clear? Then in the same way, treatment of sewage waste. Industrial waste products contains dangerous chemicals. All the industrial pollution products contains acid. So what will happen, children? If these acid reach to water bodies, they will affect the aquatic life. That means it will kill the fishes and the organisms living in the water. So a large number of fishes, cattle and other organisms can be killed. So therefore the sewage waste from the factories are treated with base to neutralize it. Okay, so whenever this industrial waste has to be poured out, what do? They treat it with a base so that it is neutralized and it becomes harmless for the aquatic organisms. So these are the applications of neutralization reaction. So I hope, children, that neutralization reaction is clear to all of you. What is neutralization? Neutralization is when an acid reacts with a base, they neutralize each other's effect. And what do they form? They form sodium chloride and water. So this is neutralization reaction. I hope that it is clear to all of you. For today we will wind up, children. Thank you and be safe.